Quick message, friends. At the time of recording this video, it's around July 21st-ish when we publish this. Guess what? The ETL Family is opening up for registration. It's been a long time since we opened, so you have to get in. We only open for a little bit at a time and then we shut down registration so we can focus on the new members coming in. We are opening up on July 25th, okay? July 25th, 2022, you've got to get in, sign up. You can sign up for the wait list if this is before our opening at thewateringmouth.com/family. Or if you're checking this out and this is July 25th through July 29th, we are open. So go check out, same web address, wateringmouth.com/family. See if the family is right for you. It's a monthly group coaching program. I'm in there personally coaching and helping y'all through consistency, healthy eating, losing weight. We have all the tools in there that you need, simple step-by-step plans and strategies for you to lose the weight. People lose so much weight in there. They get so confident. They understand how to eat to live, how to do it consistently. They learn that rhythm. We would love to see you in there, so consider joining the ETL Family. Open for registration just for a little bit. See you soon. Oh, links down below.